Hiking Volcano Aconcagua in Guatemala, Part 3. We woke up to an incredible sunrise on top of Volcano Aconcagua. We were given the option to watch sunrise from base camp or hike to the summit, but most of us chose to watch it from base camp. After sunrise, we had some food and snacks, and then we took off. While it was about a 4-hour hike up to the top, it only took us about 2 hours to get down. Once we got to about 3/4 done with the hike down, the group took a quick break, took in some final views, and then headed down and got on the bus back to the Witcho and Charlie's office. We enjoyed some well-earned cold beers to mark the end of our adventure, and that's how you hike Volcano Aconcagua.